Hello students, hope you all are fine and you are studied at home. Seriously, yes or no? So you have got enough time to practice all the subjects. Clear? And don't keep your work pending. Almost all the teachers have finished their PT1 course. So don't keep your work pending students. Otherwise you will face a lots of problem when the school will reopen. So as I have finished the first chapter, so today I am going to start with the new chapter, playing with numbers. Clear? I think in first chapter there is no problem for you all. Clear or not? I have attached two assignments also. You will solve it by yourself. I repeatedly am telling you, solve the assignments by yourself. Take the reference from the book or whatever I have taught you. See all those notes and solve the assignments by yourself. Clear or not? So let's start with playing numbers. This chapter topics are simplification by applying Badmash rule, factors and multiples, prime numbers and composite numbers, even odd numbers, co-prime number, twin prime, prime triplet, perfect number, test for divisibility, HCF and LCM, and word problems. These all the topics I think all are known to you in class 5. You have done already. But as maths is a practice, so if you don't practice you will forget. So again now these things I will discuss with you elaborately. Clear or not? Along with the assignment. So here first I will discuss all the topics. So first I will start from topic 2 number point. 2, 3, 4 first I will discuss with you all. 1 number, 5 number and 6 number later one gradually. One by one I will move. So first is factors and multiples. So you see, all of you know what factors. What is factor? A factor of a number is a number which divides that number exactly, that is without a remainder. Now what do you mean by exactly? Do you know what is exactly? Exactly means if you divide a dividend with divisor, after getting the quotient, if remainder comes 0, that division is known as exact division. Now, here you see, here you have divided 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Their remainder is what? 0. So, when you will get remainder 0, that means that division is exact division. In that case, this divisor 4, it is the factor of this dividend 12. Got it? And if the division is not exact, that means if remainder is not 0, then it is not the factor. Suppose 4 is not the factor of 15, because if you divide 15 by 4, you will not get remainder as 0. Got it? Have you understood, students? Factors means. Next, multiples. A multiple of any natural number is a number formed by multiplying that number by any whole number. What does it mean? It means, suppose you consider any number, any natural number, and you multiply this natural number by any whole numbers. After multiplying the whole numbers, whatever the products you will get, those products are known as multiples. Multiples, another name is product. Whatever the product you are getting, those products are known as multiples. Suppose 5. 5 if you multiply with 1, 5 1 are 5. If you multiply with 2, 5 2 are 10. So in this way it will continue. So these all are the multiples of 5. Got it? Clear or not? Should I move for the next? Okay. Prime numbers and composite numbers. Which numbers are known as prime numbers? Those numbers which can be divisible only by itself and 1. That means those numbers which can be divided only by 1 and itself. Itself means that particular number itself. Suppose 2. Here I have given some examples, you see. 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also prime number. Why? Because 2 you can divide only by 1 and by 2. Not with other number. Yes or no? Same way 3. 3 can be divided only by 1 and by 3. 1 is a common factor. You can divide any number by 1. Clear or not? But apart from 1, if that number can be divided only by itself, itself means that number, same number, then that number is known as prime number. Clear or not? And 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is known as unit number. So don't consider 1 as the prime number or composite number. It starts from 2. Got it? So, and those numbers which are not divisible by 1 or that number itself, that number can be divided by any other numbers also. So, those numbers are known as composite numbers. Like 4. 4 can be divided by 1, 4 can be divided by 2, and 4 can be divided by 4 also. Yes or no? So, there you are getting many numbers. So, 4 is a composite. But 5 is again prime number because 5 can be divided by 1 and only by 5. 6 is composite. Why? Because 6 can be divided by 1, 6 can be divided by 2, 6 can be divided by 3, 6 can be divided by 6 itself. So there are many factors. Not only these two, 1 and the number itself, that means 6. So there are many factors. That's why 6 is a composite number. So have you understood, students, which numbers are known as prime number and which numbers are known as composite numbers? So here the definitions I have written. Though these all definitions are there in your book, still then I have written, you noted down in your copy. Clear? Next one is co-prime. Co-prime numbers, what are the numbers known as co-prime numbers? Which type of numbers? Suppose two natural numbers, any two natural numbers you can consider, which have only the common factor 1. Suppose here I have written one example. See, 2 and 3 I have taken. If you take the factors of 2, it's only 1 and 2. And if you take the factors of 3, it is 1 and 3. So, among these 4 factors, which is the common factor? It is 1. So, as common factor is 1, so 2 and 3 are known as what? Co-prime numbers. Got it? Same way 3 and 4, 16 and 25. See, 16 and 25 also I have written. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. So, here also common factor is only 1. That's why these 16 and 25 are also co-prime number. Clear? Next, twin primes. Prime number that differ by 2. That means two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Mind it that both the numbers should be prime numbers and whose difference is 2. Those numbers are known as twin prime numbers. Clear? Prime triplet. Prime triplet, only one prime triplet is there out of all natural numbers. Triplet means 3. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2. That means 3 prime numbers differ by 2. 3 to 5 difference is 2. 5 to 7 difference is also 2. So, these 3 numbers are known as prime triplet. And mind it, there is only one prime triplet number is there among all the natural numbers. Clear? Next one is perfect number. A number is called a perfect number if it is equal to the sum of all of its factors, excluding itself. Excluding means you will not consider that particular number. Suppose here 6. If you find out the factors of 6, you will get 1, 2, 3 and 6. You will get or not? But here is told excluding itself. That means you will not consider 6 over here. Excluding 6, rest of the factors you will consider and take the sum of those factors. Have you seen? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So have you got 6? So this type of numbers are known as perfect numbers. Clear or not? More one example I have given, 28. These all are the factors of 28. If you find out the factors of 28, you will get these all numbers, including 28. But as here it has mentioned excluding itself, so you will not consider here 28. So, except 28, rest of the factors are here and you take the sum of it. What you will get? 28. So, 28 is also a perfect numbers. Clear? So, these are the some topics. In the first video, I am uploading these all. Now, in the next video, I am uploading the rest, some more topics. Clear? Have you understood, students, these all topics? Got it? Thank you.